Welcome back to part 2 of my Gonk pattern. So you want to cut 64 strands measuring approximately 20 centimetres, and then you need to fold it in half thread your needle and we're going to begin by placing 3 either side of the nose, starting in the second round down, and keep it nice and close to the nose. So from the top down, feed the tails through that loop and pull it nice and tight. Let me show you that again. So from the top down, keep them nice and close. Feed the tails through that loop and pull nice and tight. We'll do one more on this side and then put 3 more in the opposite side. In the next round we're going to place 4 strands either side of the nose. This is quite time consuming but fun to do. And now place 3 either side of the nose in the next round. And in the next round we're going to go straight across underneath the nose, just here. It's nice and thick there, but we need to add some more underneath the nose because we can see the white through there. So again, we'll come straight across from here to here. Let's have a look at that. Now it's looking good. I am going to do another row just from either side of the nose, I think. I'm going to do one more row to make it nice and thick. So to brush out the beard, I'm going to use one of these pet brushes. It's got wire bristles. And I'm going to start underneath the beard, working from the ends up towards the head. This does take some time, and you might get some breakage as we're using cotton yarn. Don't worry about that, just keep brushing and brushing. And you'll see it starts to get fluffy. It's getting there. And once you're happy with the fluffiness, you can trim it to shape. Okay, now we're going to add the hat. I'm just going to use some fabric glue, dot it on top of the nose there. And then dab some glue on all the way around. Again, if this gonk was going to be used to play with, I would suggest that you do sew the hat on to the head. And then hold it down. Push the rim of the hat on top of the nose, like so. And place to one side and allow it to dry. And once the glue's dry, you can then trim up the beard a bit more if you need to. And there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe to see more, and feel free to leave a comment, and I will see you next time.